Today we're featuring a 2016 Jeep Compass Latitude Edition. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's billet silver metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in really good shape. It does have the 17-inch alloys. All right, it is a four-wheel drive. All right, also has the heated seats on the inside as well. Passenger side of the vehicle looks really good. It's got the heated side door mirrors here. All right, but everything on the exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, nice metallic trim, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it's got black leather seating, the nice mesh insert here. Driver's seat looks good. Passenger seat is also in really good shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start, and it is a four-wheel drive. All right, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats, climate control area, AM, FM, CD player, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. All right, we'll go ahead and check the mileage here. Let's see. Let's hit the key and crank it up. All right, we've got 38,964 miles. Get it started here. We can see the display screen. That's your climate control area. Your heated seats. All right, and it is a four-wheel drive. It's got your lights in the cup holder there, along with your four-wheel drive right there. And it is also equipped with Bluetooth as well.
This recognition, connect phone, ready.
Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And I do want to mention, in that brief time that I had the car started there, the air conditioner came on and it was already blowing cold just as soon as I turned it on. So you're not going to have any issues with the air conditioner in this vehicle. The leather back here in the back seat looks great. Doesn't even have a wrinkle in it. Well taken care of. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, I know it has black interior, so it's kind of hard to see. I'll go on that other side of the back seat and give you another perspective there. All right, carpet's in good shape back here. Lift up for your spare here. I'll step to the side just so you can see the depth. Plenty of room back here. The two back seats do come down. All right, that's going to open it up a lot back there for you. I'll go ahead and give you another perspective on this side, just so you can see that the leather is it's in really good shape. No issues whatsoever. I'll go ahead and take a look at the passengers front seat as well. Okay, with the leather, great shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right, brand new set of tires. All right, plenty of tread left on them there. All right, just to recap, it's a 2016 Jeep Compass Latitude Edition, 38,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. It's been well taken care of on the inside and out. So come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you so much for watching the video.